Thank you for joining us here on ClickTHouston.com. It's going to be a gorgeous day out there. Lots of sunshine, warming up to the low 80s with a light wind coming in from the south. We still have high levels of oak pollen and also grass, so keep that in mind. We are in the full swing of spring allergy season, and we do have an air quality alert posted for today. So high levels of ozone this afternoon. If you have asthma or upper respiratory issues, you might want to think about staying indoors for this afternoon. We have high pressure providing gorgeous conditions for today. They're going to stick around at least for tomorrow morning. But in the afternoon, a weak cold front moving through, but it is extremely weak. Our rain chances only at 10%, so most of you will just notice a little bit of cloud cover during Wednesday afternoon, a little breezy out there, maybe a stray shower. Behind it, no big temperature drop. High pressure is building in. We'll keep our temperatures steady. Nice cool mornings and very nice warm and pleasant afternoons. So 82 degrees for today. Nothing but sunshine out there. The Astros dealing with temperatures in the 30s for their game out in New York. Here in Texas, we'll have temperatures at 80 degrees for tomorrow with a 10% chance of an isolated shower, and then we end up the work week with gorgeous weather. For this weekend, temperatures in the 50s for our morning lows, afternoons in the 70s. We have Dynamo on Sunday, and then next week, as we have the home opener for the Astros, looks like we'll have some scattered thunderstorms in the forecast with temperatures close to 80 degrees.